Welcome to the CAP Training Module 1, Building a College-Going Culture for All Students. Welcome, my name is Carrie Burson and I will be your facilitator for this module. Here I have posted a brief description of my experiences in counseling. In your orientation for Module 1, you will do the same and post a brief description of your experience or anything special about yourself you'd like to share with the group. If this is the first time you're taking an online class, I'd like to go over some benefits, but some hurdles you might run into as well. The benefits are you are able to access this module at any time during the day, and you work on it at your own time. Some of the hurdles are, because you are not attending a class, is making sure that you are spending time on the course throughout the week. Set an alarm or a reminder to make sure you check in with the module every day or two to make sure you stay up to date with the participants' posts. Here are a few tips to help the course run a little more smoothly. The first is make sure you have the website saved in your favorites. This way you're not continually looking for the site. Secondly, make sure you're receiving emails from your facilitator. As a facilitator, I will be emailing you multiple times throughout the week with that session's information. And the third is practice good etiquette. Please be respectful to others and not say anything hurtful or offensive to anyone else within our This is Module 1, Building a College-Going Culture for All Students. This will be a 5-week course. Within the 5 weeks, there are 4 sessions. Each session will start on Monday, but will need to be completed by the following Wednesday. Each session will have readings, some will have videos, and they will include activities and work on your action plan. You will also be doing discussion posts each week. You are required to do 3. Your original post should be submitted by Friday and be a reflection of the readings and activities. Then you will need to respond to 2 other participants' posts by that next Wednesday. And you will be working on the action plan throughout the 4 sessions. We will now go over how to log in. You were emailed the web page to go to. Once you are on that web page, you will enter your username. It should be your first and last name with no spaces. Your password will be ChangeMe. Go ahead and log in at this time. You are now at the home page. A couple important features here at the home page include My Courses. This is where you will find the module you are registered for. The other part that you will need to go to is My Profile Settings. Under My Profile Settings, you will need to go in and change your password. Once your profile is set up, you will now find the course that you are taking. So under My Courses, for Module 2, you will look for the CCTI 2 PD AZ8. This screen shows you a visual on how to post to a discussion board. Go to the orientation discussion, add a new discussion topic, and introduce yourself. As you write discussions for this course, please go through and spell check them before you post them. And then take time to read the other participants' posting as well. This screen shows you the discussion board rubric. You will see there are 6 important pieces: relevance, use of examples, contribution to learning and community, written quality, timeliness, and tone. The relevance and use of examples are important when you are reflecting on the week's activities and readings in relation to the prompt. It is important that you make the prompt relevant to what your work experience is. The timeliness comes into play to make sure that you're posting early enough in the week that other participants can reflect on yours as well. And all of this is part of contribution to the learning community. So tone is really important. Written quality. Please take time to spell check your posts before you submit them. This screen and the next will show you some discussion examples of good quality. Please take time to read through these so that you can see what the expectations are of the discussion board. This screen shows you some examples of poor responses. Please make sure that when you are responding to posts throughout the week, that you are reflective on the participants' post and maybe how this is reflective to your work environment. Please email me with any questions or concerns throughout the module. My email is listed on the screen below. If you are not receiving emails from me, get in touch with me as soon as possible. Many important updates and topics regarding the week's goals will go through email. I do look forward to meeting you all through our orientation discussion board and throughout the next 5 weeks.